Hey guys, Sean here, just getting ready for this Memorial Day weekend as I hope you guys are. I'm just going to be working on a quick recipe to show you using our organic lemon pepper bulk seasoning. What we're going to do is we're going to take this chicken, whole chicken, we're going to throw it on the smoker. I'm going to show you how to spatchcock it, season it, and spatchcock, for those of you who don't know, means we're just going to split it in half, kind of butterfly it open. It'll cook faster for you, and we'll get a real nice delicious bird. First thing we're gonna do, flip this over to the back side. Here's your breasts on the front, your two legs and wings. The back side is here. Right here is where your backbone is. You're gonna take a good pair of kitchen shears and we're just gonna trim down the backbone all the way to the front on both sides. There's the backbone, or get rid of that. You can make a stock out of it, save it, do whatever you like, make a sauce. Then we're gonna flip the bird over, spread it out, and you wanna break the breastbone by pushing down real hard until you hear it crack like that. And then we're gonna season her up. Real salt, organic lemon pepper. Oops, sorry. First thing we're gonna do is dry it off, so that the seasoning sticks to it really good. Get in those cracks, both sides. Now we'll go for it. You want to season liberally because this is going to flavor the bird, and we want to make sure we get all of it covered real nice. Now we're gonna put her on the smoker. Okay, I got my Traeger on the smoke setting. We're gonna smoke it low and slow for about 25-30 minutes just to get some good smoke flavor. Then I'm gonna crank it up to 325, 350 until it reaches an internal temperature of 165.